What's up guys, back again with another video. This is the first car video of many more to come, so bear with me. Anyways, this is a mod for the interior ambient lighting for your BMW F30 chassis. As you can see, it is some pieces of plastic made from a 3D printer, and it was $60. Seems like a lot right now, but later in the video, we will see if it's even worth it. Alright, so moving forward, to install these, take a careful look of the design of it. It is an L shape. The goal is to take the longer side of the L and gently push it behind the light strip. When installing, please be very careful and very patient. This product is not really sturdy at all, and to actually install it, you're gonna have to line it up with the LED strips in the door and tuck it in inch by inch, as what I'm doing right now. Now that I'm done with this door, I'm gonna do every other door except for one at the very end, just to show you the before and after. This is the back seat doors. As you can see in the daylight, the strips are really visible, but it doesn't bother me at all, so I'm going to keep them. And driver's seat and passenger side, you can see it, but it's not really a big deal. So I'm going to close the garage door and turn all the lights on, and this is what the product looks like. Now I'm going to go to settings and actually turn on the brightness to 100% for the sake of the video, and it does look really good. This is the final product. That's all I have for you guys. For before and afters, go to the very end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.